I believe that there's a a group of audiences, right, in your lead stack or your prospect stack, where they're going to be open to AI, whether it's text messaging or chat or messenger or on voice. And then there's a group of people in that audience segment where they want the human. Okay. They want the call from the person that can relate to them, right? Because they know it's a human. And I feel like AI is simply on the management side of things. You're a manager, you're managing human agents, but you're also now managing AI agents, these agentic technology. I think this is that shift in terms of the workforce. Um, Within our systems, it's the same. We're able to create AI. It's not like an AI for one thing. It's our system is complex and simple at the same time. The complexity comes in, you can get the AI to score, to give you insights is another AI. The AI that actually provides the signaling scoring is different. So you have multiple AI agents doing very specific things, almost like a factory. But the humans are still the ones calibrating, educating the AI, and then doing a lot of the interaction for those segments where the customer wants to have a human. So I think it's nice balance. I don't think it's going to replace uh, all the humans. If anything, it's going to replace the inefficient ones that are already either part of your attrition rate. They're either quitting the job or they're not the best people there. They're just trying to get a paycheck. Your top players, they're going to feed the knowledge into the AI and work hand in hand with it so they can enjoy their jobs more. They can do their jobs in higher quantities, whereas the AI will simply replace what you're already replacing.